there is a big parking place, and yeah, that's because there are nice tracks and there are some lakes, rivers, waterfalls, but nobody is here because the weather is very bad. But now it's getting better, so I will show you I'm near Josefberg and there are tracks, so I will show you. Right now I'm walking on the Waldmarktweg. I think it's very nice weg. It's a very nice journey. And there is a river down here. And yeah, I'm a little bit scared because the wood is, I don't know, maybe a few years and it will be falling down. And yeah, it's also slipping very too much. And yeah, I like it here. I like these tracks. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a nice waterfall. This road, there are bridges, a lot of, so it's nice. Yeah, I will truly say I'm a little bit scared to go through these bridges because, yeah, and look at that. There are some very small waterfalls and some big waterfalls, but you cannot see it because my camera is not good. And I'm continuing. I will be continuing next to the river or spring. It will be growing this to the river, and yeah. So I hope I will go only down. I will go about maybe 20 kilometers. So it will be a very long journey on this road. So yeah, quite nice. This is the right one. What I filmed before was shit, but this one is very good. I have to say you should visit this place, but you have to. It's very amazing. I cannot film this because it's too far, but down there are very nice waterfalls. I really enjoying this journey. It's one of the best on my trip that I'm going from the Athens, and yeah. It's amazing, the nature here. It looks like to me like a rail. Maybe they destroyed the rail that I went there, and then they built this track. So yeah, amazing, very nice, I have to say. I think this is the rail also. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, this is definitely the rail. The connection between the. Yeah. It's the smaller one, the rail. It's not the standard European rail, but it's the smaller one. This waterfall is so huge, it's maybe, I don't know, 50 meters, it can be, I don't know, from the all. And yeah. It's quite very hardcore trip on the road because yeah, it's very going up and down, and yeah. I'm still amazed how this trek is amazing. I almost fall down. You can see some still falling down, and I went through this, and yeah, it was getting down, and I ran away, but it was very close, so be careful when you go next to these rocks that are fall from the mountains, from the above. And we have also the turbine here for water falling. Let's check it out. It's so huge. Oh, yeah, there are no, it's maybe, yeah, it's welded, so I am not strong enough so to break it, and now it will be so hard going on these tracks. Maybe there is a, how to say it, power plant for water power plant for, yeah, because there are some high power transmission, and yeah. I'm back because I went very bit that way, and this is I think this is the Pelton or Kaplana, but I think maybe it's Pelton, I don't know, but definitely not Frenches. And I think the turbine is used for that water comes down from the big height, so yeah. And yeah, I have to go through this bridge, and yeah, this is the power station or power plant in Deutschland. In the Germany it's a Kraftwerk. I think the power plant now started, because I can hear big noise from there. Oh, there is another power plant, and they have a lot of energy when it's spring, because the snow is melting to water, and then they have a lot of water. But in the summer season they have to buy electricity energy, because they don't have enough energy, so they have to buy from us. And yeah, so in the summer season they don't have much water, and they don't have enough electricity to, so they have to, so the other countries have to export them the electricity. So there is another power station. See the water coming down and go to the turbine and generate it. And then you can see the electricity there. Yeah, something is missing. Error. Look at that, the waterfall. You cannot see too much, but I placed. Oh, this is the first time that I placed the hammock. I put sleeping bag on this iron stick because it's still wet, and I sleep near the river, so it's nice. And I will go sleep because I'm very tired. It's 7:30 a.m. and here I slept, and I'm going to the next river, El Lauf. I have to go about 10 kilometers, so it's quite far. I like it here very much. There is also a very nice waterfall. Look at that. Here is very nice energy. There is Milo here. And it's still working. I will show you from the outside. Yeah, there is water here flowing through this hole, and then we can see the now this is the last hill, and now I have to go only down, and there will be flat area there. So it's end of the Alps. It's nice finally. And Ow, Peterson! Believe or not, there is another rainy day. So this day, it's not my day because I didn't have a good sleep because I'm tired and I'm not enjoying this trip right now. When you go so many days, there are some bad days that you don't like so much, but there are some days that are amazing. For example, yesterday it was amazing. The weather was not good, but the waterfalls, river and the springs was amazing. So yeah. What I just found here. So there is a shop without any workers. I bought some ice cream and the apple soft. It's apple juice, something like that. And it's very nice because it's from the local farmers here, and there are some vegetables, fruit, meat, milk and so on, eggs, and it's quite nice. So right now I place my hammock under the turf, yeah, because the ground is, I don't know if you can see, but there are so many leaves and there will be a lot of slime, so fuck it, I will be sleeping up. So finally I'm Ameston. There is some Ausdorf. There is something village, but then there will be some, I think it's town, maybe it's city, I don't know exactly. And because I don't have any food, because yesterday it was everything closed because it was Sunday about religion, I didn't know it. But I found that shop without any service, that you have to do it everything alone. And so it was nice. I'm looking for the breakfast, so yeah. Found the forest strawberries. So right now I'm going to Burkrutzen. It's about half kilometer, and there is some view tower. Let's go there. I will show you from the upside. It's not the best view here. I don't know, we cannot see too much because the trees are so high now, right now. I think when they built that, it was very nice view here, but there are some leaves and branches. So let's go to the castle or something like that. And, yeah. So right now I'm near the castle, and I have to say it's quite a big castle here. Look at it. I have to say from the castle is very nice view here. And there is some hotel here. And there is a castle, but maybe it's not close, but I don't want to go there. There is very old mule in Deutschland for there is another castle on the top of the hill and you cannot see it. I understand this. Every day in Australia when I'm here it's rainy day. But I don't care anymore because yeah, you know, what can I do? But this rain is not so strong, so I hope it will be not stronger. So yeah. So there is a castle burning something, I don't know exactly. Right now I'm going to the Freistadt. It's about 25 kilometers or 20, something like that. And I have to say the nature is here amazing, because there are some fields, then there is a forest, rivers and so on, and I like this nature. So yeah, Austria has a same countrysides everywhere. No, or Alps are different, and this on the up of the Austria there is something like the nature is something like that. So, and near the big river Donau you have flat areas for the farming and so on. So I think this is the whole Austria how it's formed. So I like the Austria because you have everything, waterfalls, and yeah. So this is the river Valdeis, and there is a cat. So right now I'm going to Buchberg, and it's quite high. Then I will go to the town or village named Lasberg. Lasberg. I almost forgot the name, and yeah, then I will be going to the Freistadt. And a friend called me that he will be arriving in Semerau, so we will see tomorrow. I will show you my friend. This is it. There is not so much, but there will be some view towers, so let's go there. The tower, but I'm not sure if it's opened, so let's go check it out. And I think this is the restaurant here, but yeah, it's 8 p.m. so nobody's here. And, yeah. So let's go check it out if it's open or not. Yeah, there is some view. Can we go up? Maybe yes. So I will go up here. But it's not so big, the tower, but still it's very big. And I think there will be nice view to the Czech Republic, because so it's nice that it's open, but look at it. You can see the hills. There is a Kirchha Lichtenberg Linz, and I think the Czech Republic will be. I think the Czech Republic is behind these hills. But yeah, look at it. It's amazing, and I think somewhere there is a Linz. I think this is the third or fourth largest city in the Austria, and I will be going down to the Lasberg and then I will go to the mountain over there and sleep there. And behind this hill there is a town Frostadt where I will be tomorrow. So you can also buy some mineral water and so on. Yeah, drink something because yeah, it's nice here. I like it here. And down there will be some mineral water, so I will taste it from the mountain, the water, how it tastes. I am very interested because yeah, I like this hill. And yeah, also there is a nice rock and so on. This is, I think this cost for visit. And now I'm going down to Basberg. So we have stone army here with spears and yeah, with spears only. No swords, no shields. And yeah. I think this is not good water for drinking. It's not flowing. I don't like water when it's not flowing. It don't have to be that this water is bad, but I don't like it. You don't know how the water is along there and how bacteria and so on. So yeah, I don't like to drink when is water not flowing. And so finally I'm down in Lasberg is it. Right now I'm chilling because I have a lot of time. I made this because there is no flat areas so much and still it's raining. And yeah, this is the best idea I think to sleep like that.